Hi there, my name is Joy Blake. Thank you so much for stopping by my profile. My background in occupational therapy gives me a really unique perspective as a tutor. I don't just focus on one subject area, but in helping students learn how to think, how to plan, and organize their ideas. I love supporting executive functioning skills, problem solving, and confidence that carry over into every part of learning. I'm a certified occupational therapist with experience working one on one with students with autism, ADHD, and other learning disabilities and differences. I've helped children strengthen visual perceptual skills, fine motor control, handwriting, organization, and self regulation, all of which support classroom and academic success. Before becoming an OT, I was homeschooled through fourth grade, and that gave me a really deep appreciation for individualized, hands on learning. I later graduated as valedictorian of my high school class, and I've been tutoring classmates ever since, from elementary school through college. Whether your child needs help with reading, writing, study skills, or overall confidence, I'm here to meet them right where they are. Parents often tell me they appreciate my calm, patient, and encouraging approach. I truly enjoy helping students discover strategies that make learning click and watching their confidence grow along the way. When I'm not teaching, I love spending time outdoors with my family, painting, and playing the piano. Thanks so much for watching. I'd really be honored to support your child's learning and journey and help them build skills that last a lifetime.